Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Cantonese with Joy. Today we will talk about exotic food. We will revise 10 nominal numbers. We'll learn noun phrases, 5 classifiers, and an SVO structured sentence, somewhere, 有 something. Let's start with 名詞 nouns. 榴蓮 durian, 藍芝士 blue cheese, 黑松露 black truffles, 炒蛋 scrambled egg, 皮蛋 century eggs, 鹹蛋 salted eggs, 臭豆腐 stinky tofu. 豆腐 tofu is made from 黃豆 soya bean. 豆 is in the second tone and 豆 of 豆腐 is in the sixth tone, so please note it here. 腐乳 fermented soya bean curd. 涼茶 Chinese herb tea. Now we'll look at how the noun can be formed. First, 顏色 color 加 plus 名詞 noun. 芝士 cheese. 藍芝士 blue cheese. 松露 truffles. 黑松露 black truffles. Second, 形容詞 adjective 加 plus 名詞 noun. For example, 蛋 eggs, 鹹蛋 salted eggs, 豆腐 tofu, 臭豆腐 stinky tofu, 茶 tea, 涼茶 Chinese herb tea. Please note that 涼 here does not refer to the description of temperature. It is a Chinese medical term. When we eat oily food or deep-fried food, will become 熱氣 interior heat, which will cause inflammation of the body. To reduce inflammation, we'll need something to cool it down. The medicine to reduce inflammation, that is 涼茶. Third, 動詞 verb 加 plus 名詞 noun. For example, 蛋 egg, 炒蛋 scrambled egg. Now let's move on to 名詞組 noun phrase. The formation of noun phrase we are learning today is 數詞 numbers 加 plus 量詞 classifier 加 plus 名詞 noun. Today we are counting numbers, so we will refer to nominal numbers only. We are learning 5 classifiers, and the nouns we are learning today is the exotic food. The first classifier we are learning is 個, the general classifier. For example, 一個榴蓮 one durian, 兩個榴蓮 two durians, 三個榴蓮 three durians. The second classifier we are learning today is 件, a piece. For example, 5件藍芝士 5 pieces of blue cheese. 6件藍芝士 6 pieces of blue cheese. 一件臭豆腐 1 piece of stinky tofu. 兩件臭豆腐 2 pieces of stinky tofu. 三件臭豆腐 3 pieces of stinky tofu. 四件腐乳 4 pieces of fermented soya bean curd. The third classifier we are learning is 碟 means dish. For example, 7碟黑松露炒蛋 7 dishes of scrambled egg with black truffles. When fermented soya bean curds are put onto dishes, we can also use the classifier 碟9碟腐乳 9 dishes of fermented soya bean curd. 10碟腐乳 10 dishes of fermented soya bean curd. The fourth classifier we are learning is 隻, it means single. For example, 3隻皮蛋 3 single century eggs. 4隻鹹蛋 4 single salted eggs. 8隻鹹蛋 8 single salted eggs. The last classifier we are learning is 碗, it means a bowl. For example, 2碗涼茶 2 bowls of Chinese herb tea. 5碗涼茶 5 bowls of Chinese herb tea. 7碗涼茶 7 bowls of Chinese herb tea. 9碗涼茶 9 bowls of Chinese herb tea. 10碗涼茶 10 bowls of Chinese herb tea. Now finally we come to 句子 sentence. We have learned this sentence structure SVO. S refers to 主語 subject. V refers to 動詞 verb. O refers to 賓語 object. When we want to talk about there is something at somewhere, we will use this sentence structure. Somewhere 有 something. 呢度 here 有 have 名詞詞組 noun phrase. Here is something, which is the noun phrase. 嗰度 there 有 have 名詞詞組 noun phrase. There is something, which is the noun phrase. Now let's look at the example. 呢度有2個榴蓮. Here are 2 durians. And I'll leave the next 3 sentences to you. You have 3 seconds for each sentence. 呢度有3件藍芝士. Here are 3 pieces of blue cheese. 呢度有5碟黑松露炒蛋. Here are 5 dishes of scrambled eggs with black truffles. 呢度有6隻皮蛋. Here are 6 century eggs. Now let's move on to there. I'll do the first one for you. 嗰度有1碗涼茶. There is a bowl of Chinese herb tea. And again, I will leave the next 3 sentences to you. You have 3 seconds for each of them. 嗰度有8隻鹹蛋. There are 8 salted eggs. 嗰度有7件臭豆腐. There are 7 stinky tofu. 嗰度有4碟腐乳. There are 4 dishes of fermented soybean curd. Now we have finished the revision of the 10 nominal numbers, and we have learned some noun phrases of the exotic food, 5 classifiers, and an SVO structure sentence, somewhere, 有 something. If you would like to learn more Cantonese Chinese, please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.